that tank out the top and carry him out. Treat a little bitch like a one night stand, cause I can't fall in love with a bop. Making it pack and I'm moving it all. They invested in me like a stock. Making it pack and I'm moving it all. He got to be smoking.
What's up, guys? It's your boy Vincetagram, back at it again with another video. It's been a long time since I've said that. It's been a minute since I've shot a vlog. Today we're shooting this twin turbo Audi R8 with a parachute on the back. We're gonna try and get a pull with the parachute just like out. We'll see how that goes. Gonna go up the highway, do a few passes, get some rollers. I'm gonna put the GoPro on, which I just got, and I'll get you guys some first person footage. I like the sound of that. All right, let's hop in the car and we'll get on the road. Dang, that thing looks so sick from the back. Damn, your windows don't go all the way down back here. Fuck. I'm gonna be sitting on the glass. Grab my bag right there. There should be a strap. If you no, the other one. Yeah. Perfect. That's cool. I just need to get my strap.
All right. There's a lens that fell.
Yeah, that's fine. Wrap this around my hand. We're good to go. I'm gonna wait till we get to the sound barriers up there. All right. Get over one lane. Get over there. Looks so fucking sick. Yeah, stay there. Go ahead and get over and get off on an exit and turn around. This isn't the next one because the next one's gonna put us on. We don't want to go there. We want to go next one to the road. Dude, that car is so easy to shoot. What the?
Yeah, I bet those look solid.
And he knows exactly what to do. Like I've never had somebody where I've never had to like this give this little direction. Like that's actually insane. And these photos look incredible. Burke, as much shit as we give you for your Dodge, the back seat is not that bad.
Thank you. See, I'm telling you, I love this car, man. For 20 grand, there's nothing else I'd prefer.
That is true for 20 grand too. You're not finding an S-Class for that price, and if it is, it's a piece of shit.
Exactly.
Oh, a little slight sin in the Maz. Okay. Those upshifts actually sound kind of nasty. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. Yeah. All right, let me get out on this side. Let me wrap. Oh shoot, almost didn't wrap this up. Hey, if anybody's watching, remember to always strap your camera to yourself somehow before you get out. ADM 3 was supposed to come out, but he's like, it's about to rain. I don't feel like coming out.
Just gonna figure out the parachute shot and then that's it.
Yeah. All right, so I think I got all the shots I needed in that one pass.
Okay, good.
Man, you were honestly the best, like, as far as like getting people to like do what I need to do. Like, you were like a lot of times I need to give a lot of people a lot of signals. You kind of just like getting all the shots I needed without me even needing to say anything.
I was thinking probably the parachute shot would probably be better rather than going this way, going back towards.
So we're gonna pass or?
Well, no. So just before we get to, I'll pull it along the wall.
Okay.
Because then on there's plenty of exit space.
That's true.
I'm gonna need to pull over because the chute's gonna start dragging.
Yeah.
I mean, it'll stay inflated, but as soon as I get down to like 20 miles an hour, it's gonna hit the floor. That way I can pull off because that exit is wide. If we go this way, there's a median and there's not a lot on the side, and the exit's not for another 5 miles. This exit's a mile up the road.
So we're just gonna,
I say we go, get back on the highway here, go past.
Got you.
As soon as we get past,
you want to pull it then?
I could probably give you some kind of signal.
Okay.
But it's going to need to be closer. That way I'm not driving down the highway.
Yeah.
Shoot the
yeah, exactly. Yeah. So if you just want to honk when when you want to pull it.
Okay.
And
so where do you want to get the shot?
I want to get it from. I want it from
cars lengths ahead, right?
So you could probably get like this angle, I would think.
That's what I'm thinking.
And then what I can do is, as soon as you get that shot, give him the okay, and then you can fall back real quick.
Okay.
And I'll keep the parachute deployed, so then you could get the rear shot as well.
Got you. Sounds good.
Yeah,
let's
we'll
do
try
that.
Yeah, I'll just follow you, and then I'll just hang right next to you, I guess, and just honk whenever you're ready.
Yeah. So I'll be 2 lanes over, or you want to be in the same lane?
I think
2 lanes over.
Yeah, let's say 2 lanes, just because I don't know how far that parachute. You said the parachute's gonna come back like.
I haven't. On this car, we haven't pulled it yet.
Okay.
So I would think if you're, so this is 2 lanes. If you're probably here, you're gonna get the full shot.
All right.
And then what I'll do is I'll keep it.
And then I'll just tap the brakes, and as long as traffic allows, I'll just fall back a little
fall
bit.
back.
So you get one.
Okay.
And then you can get one kind of.
Cool. And if traffic's not looking right, like if it's not looking too good behind us, we can just do another pass and come back around.
Yeah.
I will say I think there was less traffic going up this way.
Going which way?
Whatever direction.
That?
Oh, yeah.
Coming back here?
No, the way up.
Oh, going there?
Yeah.
Yeah, low key.
Right on the highway?
Mm-hmm.
I was like, at first when I thought about doing a parachute on the highway, I was like, I mean, if a cop comes out there, but if we're going 60 miles an hour, which is speed limit,
yeah,
and I accidentally bumped on the button, I don't care. I ain't worried.
I accidentally hit it, officer. It was a complete accident.
Speed limit. I know he's not coming for me.
But I saw
I'll
a
just
guy
keep
in the
driving.
Maserati hanging out the car. Be like, I don't know who he is.
They were car spotting.
Yeah. Only one way to find out.
Hey, honk when you're ready to pull it.
Honk before I deploy it.
Yeah. Actually, let me put this on exactly, because this is a shot that I can't really miss. So like I gotta strap it up right. Like I almost put it around my neck. I never do that. Why would I do that? Yeah, he can't tell the white SUV is a cop. Behind. There's an Explorer back there.
That's a Ford van.
That's a Ford van? No, on the other side. There's one behind him.
I mean, let me get over and I'll just let that truck pass me. Oh, I see that.
Yeah.
Just stay in the car for a second.
Damn it, he doesn't have plates either.
But you can't really tell by the parachute.
Yeah. Which is even worse.
Here, act like your seatbelt's buttoned.
Oh shit, yeah, I'll just put it on. Okay, so that must be the one right there. Let's go for it. Get over one lane, get over that lane. Next exit. Okay. Get ahead of him, get ahead of him. bad. The shot wasn't wide enough. But I got what we got. I got what we needed though.
Okay.
Especially from the back. That shit was tough. I got the back. I didn't get the front though.
What you mean?
It wasn't wide enough. So like the one from the quarter shot, I got the one from the back, but the one from the front.
Oh, when you were behind me?
Yeah, I just couldn't get the, yeah, so the one from when I was behind you,
yeah.
I got that one perfectly, but the one from the front, it just wasn't wide enough to get the whole.
Yeah, I think it was weird because I was trying to get it up to speed and then pull it at the same time.
Yeah. How do you pack this thing?
We're probably not going to pack it out here because it takes a while.
Dude, but the shots look perfect, like overall though.
Do that good.
Man, like that was honestly the easiest roller session I've ever done. Mind if I ride with you?
Yeah.
All right. Well, guys, that was it. Hopefully you can hear me through this wind, but it's about to pour the down. I don't know if you saw that lightning up there, but it's fucking about to rain. So we're getting out of here. Perfect timing. And subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. And like the video if you like the video. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think. And we'll see you next time. I'm gonna ride with him up there. He's coming up here. But you mind if we put the parachute in your car briefly till we get up to Starbucks?
Fine, I don't care. Could you not bundle it back?
No, it takes forever to pack on the street.
So. In the trunk?
Did your trunk go down? Gotta close it. All right, come on, man. You at the top end Maserati? We always give him shit at the dealership and compare it to a Dodge Dart and a Jeep Grand Cherokee and everything else it shares parts with.
So the cool thing about this one is got live map switching. So you hold this button here, you see 2, 3, 4, 5.
Man, no way.
All the way up to 9. And then if you hit this button, it gives
seen
you
some BMWs
ethanol
like that.
content, which is 85%.
Dude, that's sick.
Performance.
This sound under the bridge is
Oh, I
insane.
know. We'll do about a 45 to 50 hit
Okay.
on anti-lag.
Oh man,
And we'll
just
go,
rolling casually.
Yeah, probably do a quick 60 to 130. Anytime I hit it, I always hit it after Spears Creek because, 90% of these cars get off on.
Yeah. Man, I don't know why people back when CCM was over here used to floor it back this way. It's like Richland County's about to be waiting for y'all right there.
Always. Let's get in front of some of these cars here.
That shit was brutal.
I'll get in front of these cars because I know none of them were cops. And then I'll let you know before we hit it.
Gotcha. Is this a built trans?
Yeah.
I was gonna say, it feels a lot different than that regular Audi DCT.
This one makes right at 1500.
All right, so this takes the kick as the new fastest car I've been in.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. I think before this it was maybe like, actually when I drove Rick's at 212.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, so this makes twice the power of Rick.
Yeah, it's crazy how it's like quiet and comfortable.
Oh,
you really
yeah,
push
this is in performance mode. You can put it back in automatic and